Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1% Forex Society channel. Today is a Monday, a new week, a new beginning, and I'm here to analyze gold for you guys. So last week I already posted analysis about gold, which was alhamdulillah played out very perfectly. So without wasting any time, let's analyze gold. But before moving further, let's recap previous analysis because it will help you to understand the story. So the last week when I posted analysis about gold, the price was here, right? So I already mentioned that if H4 able to hold the price, then price will go down, and if can't able to hold the price, then price will look for the daily re-entry area, right? So as you guys can see, H4 acted as a resistance a little bit, but at the end of the day, Monday, right? I think, yeah, Monday, the price goes up and mitigate the daily re-entry area, right? So when it touches the daily re-entry area, price meltdown. I'll show you daily. Yeah, see, when price touches the daily re-entry area, price just melt down. As of my prediction, it's almost 650 pips. Yeah, and I already mentioned that if sell happened from the daily resistance, the minimum target for the sell will be MA 510 low of weekly, right? So as you guys can see, when price touches the MA 510 low, here it gives us a very beautifully confirmation code, which was REE, re-entry, daily EMA 50 extreme, and then in H4 extreme, REE. So here price also rejected almost 400 pips. Yeah, so congratulations to those who able to get some profit on gold last week, but this was the past. So now we are in present. So let's now analyze gold for this week, that what good opportunities are waiting for us. So without wasting any more time, let's analyze gold. And we know always start from monthly time frame, because from top to down is the best way to analyze any kind of pair. Okay, so always start from the higher time frames. So as you guys can see, we have a monthly CSM buy, right? A monthly CSM buy candle closed above the top PV. Okay, and there are more than one candle that closed above the top PV, which shows us a very strong buying pressure in a monthly time frame. And we know after the CSM signal, price like to chase MA 510 low, which is the re-entry area of monthly. So but keep in mind it's a monthly time frame, so it takes time, because from now almost 1300 pips away from the re-entry price, away from the re-entry of the monthly time frame, so it may take time. Okay, so it's not just in a day or a week, so it takes time. So you have to keep in mind just the trend of the monthly time frame. So for now, monthly is in a bullish trend due to this CSM buy candles. Okay, and the expansion of these top BB. Okay, and if you guys can see already MA 5 out of the top PB, right? And one more thing guys, here a monthly candle which is in a progress, also 2 or 3 days remaining, yeah, for the closing of this monthly candle, right? So keep in mind, when candle closed, it may be closed as a CSM buy. Okay, so keep in mind, for now it's just outside of the top PB. Okay, so the closing of this monthly candle is important for now, because when it's closed just outside of the top PB, it shows us a CSM again. Okay, which shows us a buying pressure. But for now, monthly is in a bullish trend. So let's jump onto the weekly time frame. Well, weekly is very interesting, guys. As we know that weekly have a weekly have a extreme, and then weekly have a TP wajib, and now weekly have a MLV. Okay, I'm saying weekly have a MLV. So extreme, TP wajib, and MLV. And if you guys can see, look how beautifully top BB is fully curved, right? It's showing us a MLV in a weekly time frame, and we know that MLV shows us that there is no more buying pressure in a weekly time frame. So if there is no buying pressure, so price can easily goes down. Okay, and we know that after we know a basic cycle of BBMA, right? After extreme, TP wajib, and MLV, the next signal will be CSAK, right? So maybe this week a weekly candle look like this, closed as a CSAK sell, right? I'm just predicting, not saying that confirm, but look like this. Okay, weekly candle closed as a CSAK sell. So for now weekly is in a sell trend, and if you guys can see here, just EMA 50 outside of the low BB, that's indicator advanced setup. Those who have my PDF will already know about that, and if you guys don't really know, you can check my PDF. Okay, so for now weekly is in a sell trend, so we have to identify the levels which we use to sell the price, right? So in a weekly we have two levels of resistance, right? One is MA 510 high of weekly, and the other one is top BB of the weekly. So if price can come up, you can wait, and if it appears any confirmation from here till here, you can look for a sell. Okay, but keep in mind, guys, from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there are a lot of red news of USD, so be aware, market will be very volatile. Okay, so weekly is in a sell trend, monthly is in a buy trend. Now we have to look for daily, that what is daily saying to us. Okay, so let's move on to the daily time frame. Well guys, here in daily time frame, as we guys know that previous week here early CSAK sell and price rejected from the re-entry of MA 510 high of daily, and after this price sold off and just printed a CSAK sell, right, in a daily time frame, right? So but here one thing you have to check is that EMA 50, you guys can see last week, look how beautifully EMA 50 acted as a support, right, and pushes the price almost 300 pips, right? So for now, due to the weekly in a sell trend, the selling area of daily will be this, right? But I am not recommended you to trade this daily re-entry area. Why I am not recommended to trade this daily re-entry area? Due to this EMA 50. Okay, because I already mentioned in my PDF that this re-entry is very risky now. Okay, so what we can do, we have to wait if price can mitigate this re-entry area. So in H4, if price did a SOP2 sell, H4 CSAK sell, okay, then you guys can look for a sell. Okay, then you guys can look for a sell after the H4 CSAK sell SOP2. Okay, otherwise this daily re-entry is a very risky re-entry. Okay, you can take if you want, but I don't recommend. Okay, and if price closed as a CSAK buy in a daily, so you guys can look for a buy. Okay, you guys can look for a buy up to the daily top PB here, and as well as the weekly top PB area. Okay, So for me personally, uh, the selling is more look powerful than buying, because due to this weekly, okay, MLB. So everything can happen, guys. It's a market. We only predict the market and react. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. Well, I have a free Telegram channel, guys. If you want to learn these kind of setups, I am giving the link in description, so you guys can check it. And those who want my PDF can contact me. I am already giving the link of my Telegram in description, so you guys can contact me. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it, like it, and see you soon. Best of luck, guys. Bye bye.